Alright, y'all, back in with another video. This here is something different, something I ain't done before. Hope y'all enjoy it. I've been working on it since literally last year. So, without further ado, I want to give y'all the video. This is what I had y'all waiting on when I was talking about in the when I put them tips on in that video. But I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all the video. So first things first, before we get to the video, I want y'all to put "thank you ladies" with 3 heart eyes. I'm put on, you know what I'm talking about? Thank you ladies with 3 heart eyes in the comments right now. Pause the video right now. Right now. Also, I want to tell the ladies I appreciate y'all from myself, because without y'all would be no video. So I appreciate y'all that came along with me, took a ride with me, you know what I'm saying? So I appreciate y'all myself, because without y'all wouldn't have no video. So I appreciate y'all too. They gonna tell y'all they appreciate y'all. Share the video. Let's make this video explode. Share it with all your friends, your family, everybody. Make this mug viral. Let's turn up. Without further ado, here's the video.
I don't want to dive there. Hell no. Oh, all up in my face. Yeah.
You look nice.
Thank you. Let me roll my window. I might fly out of there.
I mean, I'm not gonna have much reaction. I like fast cars. So.
Wait.
Oh.
Wait. Hold the fuck up. Yeah.
Alright.
It ain't recording.
It is recording.
I'm gonna go ahead and hold my heart.
Okay. Well,
Seatbelt can't go no tighter.
it will, you get to.
It ain't reacting to. No, something right.
No, I ain't got no brakes though, right?
Oh fuck no!
I'm playing.
Oh.
I'm playing.
Don't play.
No, my brakes messed up. They were. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright. You ready?
Yes.
Alright.
You gonna do it on the main street?
Yeah. You sure you ready?
Oh shit, yeah.
Alright.
Oh! Hell no, it wasn't fun. My damn voice shaking, don't you hear it? Alright. I'm ready.
Okay.
I gotta do this too?
If you want to.
Yeah, at least we look cute. I don't think he recording shit. I don't see no
I swear I am. I'm watching it. I swear.
I don't see no damn
Light can turn green.
Are your tires good? Check your tires.
Surely is.
speaking to it.